Hey there, bike people. Welcome to Cyclecraft TV. I'm Kat Brennan, one of the owners of the Cyclecraft Cycling Center, located on Route 46 in Parsippany, New Jersey, and all around the world at cyclecraft.com. You may not know this, but here at Cyclecraft, my nickname is Safety Cat. The reason is I'm all about safety when it comes to riding my bike. And that's why I'm so excited to show you what I got for Christmas. Do you want to see what it is? I got this cool new light set from Cyclic, a Fly 6 and a Fly 12 for the front and rear of the bike. But they're not just lights, they're also cameras. Plus, I got all these accessories to mount them on my bike. Why am I so excited? Well, this is a really meaningful gift. I love that I have front and rear lights, and I also have cameras that I can record all my fun rides. But as you know, it's not really any secret that drivers are getting a little bit worse on the roadways, and things are getting a little bit scarier out there. So I'd also like to be able to record if, something bad happens, which I hope never does. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to start with the Fly 12. Slide it out of the box. And very nice packaging, magnetic box, which is also nice. We have our quick start guide for the Fly 12. And here is the light and the camera. This is very nice. It's very nicely made, and it's very lightweight for what it is. I like it. And I can't not show you the inside of the box has little flies on the inside flap. Very cute, very cute. So we also have our safety information, and I suspect this last box is going to contain the charging cord and the mounting bracket, which it does. So that's it. That's all the stuff you need, except for our accessories over here. Now I'm going to move on to the Fly 6. And another nice packaged box, also with our quick start guide for the Fly 6. Now, this is for the rear of the bike, so it's a little bit smaller, but you can see it does have the camera and the light. This one is really lightweight. You can hardly feel it at all. This one also comes with safety information and another small box that also contains the mounting brackets and the charging cord for the Fly 6. And there you have it, the Fly 6, the Fly 12, and this is how I know my doggy really loves me, because he got all the cool accessories that go along with this. And it really is the way to go when you buy something like this, to be able to protect it and mount it properly. So we have the silicone for the front and rear, the silicone covers that go over the units. We have some additional mounting brackets for the rear, the Duo mount, which enables me to carry my computer and the light and camera, the Fly 6 and Fly 12 lens protectors that I believe I touched on earlier, and last but not least, the leashes so you don't jettison your units if you hit a bump. So this is everything you need to get started, and I can't wait to get started. So that's the end of part 1. In part 2, we'll install the Fly 12 and Fly 6 on my bike, and we'll test them out. Thanks for watching Cyclecraft TV. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and press the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see all the great content on our channel. See you next time, and keep that rubber side down.